Take command of the road in the 2011 Toyota 4Runner. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.